Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the exact CA Foundation law syllabus and the official study material. This prevents wasted time. Once done, map topics to weekly blocks so every chapter has a deadline, and focus first on definitions and foundational concepts because understanding terms speeds case analysis later. Make sure to read statutory sections alongside summaries. Legal text anchors your memory. You'll start applying principles next, so don't over-annotate. Use concise notes and highlight only rules and exceptions for quick review. Now move from reading to applying law. Convert each provision into the IRAC framework and practice writing short issue statements. Once done, read landmark cases to extract the ratio and how courts applied rules. That teaches exam-style reasoning. Make sure to solve 2-3 problem questions per topic under timed conditions so you learn prioritization and concise phrasing. Also, compare your answers to model answers to spot gaps. Iterative correction is how weak explanations become exam-ready answers. Finish by locking knowledge through spaced revision and mock exams. Start with quick notes, then focused rereading, and finally full mocks to simulate exam pressure. Once done with a mock, review every mistake immediately and rewrite the correct approach. This cements procedural answers. If performance stalls, isolate the weakest topic and do targeted drills for 30-45 minutes daily until clarity returns. Troubleshooting tip: when persistent errors occur, teach the concept aloud to a peer or yourself to reveal gaps and force mastery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.